Hello guys, today we are going to play this game. What is this game called again? World Tower Defense? Yeah, World Tower Defense. Now I actually never played this game before. Who are you? I never played this game before, so let's just start. Teleport me to where you want to be. Alright, we in the game. We're going to base plate. Why am I so retro? I never wanted to be this retro, bro. Oh, start now button. Huh? Holy shit, I don't know where to spawn anywhere by your Huh? What did I do? Oh, look at it! It's so cute! It's so little! Where's my money? Oh. Oh my god! Close up. Whoa! 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 Dynamite! Very cool! Yes, DVD. Inspector. This. What did I do? Is that an assault? Is that the assault gun? Where? Whoa, what? Defenders, defend the base. Dynamite, go! Wait. Yeah, dynamite, go! Attack! 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 Attack, I said. Oh my god! Woo! Okay, that low-key looks... The rushers low-key look like a zombie, not gonna lie. Peasant. Calling them a peasant is crazy. Oh my god, he's getting attacked. I am pretty new to this game. I never played this game, like actually. I have the basic stuff. This. Good job, mate. We'll become British. Whoa, that's epic. Oh my god, no. What do I do? Die. How do you die? Whoa. I'm dead. I'm actually dead. I didn't expect this. Oh. Oh my god, good game, good game. Oh. You didn't have to call my failure, bro. Anyways, that's my experience on World Tower Defense. Make sure to hit that like button, hit subscribe. Literally, please. I'm a small content creator. Hit the notifications. Yeah, bye.